Hello friends. I'm about to cook dinner, and again, you're probably sick of seeing this face. I'm going to try to show you something that my mom used to do. I'm a little close. I'm trying to cook it on this cast iron skillet. Let you know what my mother used to do was buy, when top round, can you see them? When top round beef goes on sale, they're buy one get one free around here. And about 3 o'clock, which it's now 4:38, in this bag, I'm going to give you a recipe of what I do. I take one top round. They're not expensive. When they go on sale, I spent $6 for this one, because for $12 you got two. You take in a Ziploc bag like this. I put in, get a pen and paper if you want, smashed 1 clove of garlic. I had 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, olive oil, soy sauce, 1 clove of garlic, balsamic, 1 splash of Worcestershire sauce, black pepper. I did no salt. Let this marinate in its own juices. On this skillet, I have Dave's red potato. So it's basically going to be home fries. I took, if you see back here, I don't know if you can see back here, that little white container right there, the no-no, bacon grease is in there. So I put 1 spoon of bacon grease, 1 teaspoon of bacon grease, and I fry him up a potato. He loves potatoes. I like potatoes. This would not be my favorite way to have a potato, so I'm glad. I'm having my steak sliced over salad with crumbled blue cheese. I think that sounds good. That's what I'm in the mood for. This steak is going to be cooked right on the same skillet as this potato is. So I wanted to share with you because they go on sale a lot and they don't take long. And the trick is to marinate them. And if I was outside with my Blackstone, this worked really good all summer. So when I pull this out, you want to hear that sizzle. Don't throw that juice away. We might be able to make a gravy out of it later. That sizzle was what I was looking for. So now I'm going to do, I'm doing 4 minutes for the first side, flipping it over, then probably 4 to 5 minutes for the second side. I'm going to get out of your face for starters, I'm going to get a pot holder because this, I love cast iron. I cook with cast iron all the time. So I'm going to not touch that girl or boy until that timer says so. So I don't know, should you want to stay with me? You want to chit chat? Basically, my mom would buy these steaks and we'd cook 2 of them for 10 people. So when I'm done with this steak, I'm going to put it on this cutting board over here, cover it with foil, and let it rest. Then you slice it this way in thin strips. So tender, it's perfect. It comes out perfect every time. 3 or 4 minutes aside, depending on the thickness. This one, I don't know, that's not an inch. I just lied to you again. I touched it when I said, don't touch it. You want it to sear, and I'm trying to stay out of your face at the same time. You want it to sear, and when I turn that over and get caramelized, that's flavor. Then putting it another 4 or 5 minutes on the other side, put it on the cutting board, cover it with foil. Not tight, like a tent. Just a tent that sits over it. Let it rest 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Even when it's room temperature afterwards, you slice it, it's tender, delicious red strips of lean beef. There's not a lot of fat, it's top brown. 2 minutes are left. Do you want to stay with me till I finish, or you want to bypass me altogether? I don't know. I could talk. So my mom would do baked potatoes sometimes, but I can tell you, feeding 10 people, we didn't have individual steak dinners. We didn't have a Delmonico or New York strip steak, but she did make London broil quite a bit. And it's just, it used to be, when my kids were little, hamburger meat was 99 cents a pound, chicken was 49 cents a pound, and now everything is ridiculously priced, ridiculous. So when these go on sale, buy one, get one, even though it's not a real great deal, they're still cheaper than getting New York strip steaks and feeding. I could feed easily 4 people. if it's not my son. If my son is here, half of that is in his mouth. No lie. And this little boy, Aldi's had ribeyes last year that were like $10, $11 for 2 of them, I think they were. River, who's now 4, eats his own ribeye, and he ate it last summer. So they're beef eaters. They love their beef. So the potatoes are looking perfect for Dave. Potatoes look good. I'm about to flip it, and I'm going to turn that timer. Let's see what we've done. That's what you want to see. You want that caramelization. So now, 3 to 4 minutes per side. No, 4. I did 4 minutes the first time. I'm going to do 4 minutes again. But I am going to shut you off because you probably don't want to see a steak cooking behind me. I'll plate it up and I will photograph it in the comments. So London broil marinade was 1 clove of garlic. I don't know if I'm going to make a gravy. 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of balsamic, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, black pepper, a splash of Worcestershire. No, I didn't put salt in mine. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, if I didn't say that. So it's sweet, savory, vinegary, garlicky, delicious. Today is Saturday. This is dinner. Dave has potato steak salad. I'm having steak salad with blue cheese. And I just made chicken wings earlier. Have a great Saturday night, people. This will go on probably, I don't know, tomorrow, or nobody cares. Nobody wants to see it. I love you guys, and let me know if you make London broil. Let me know in the comments, and please, please share my video publicly. The more I'm getting all these people that are following me now, that's how I'm growing the page, and I'm helping other people that I don't even know. So if you see this far, and we're 7 minutes into it, so you've already said, push that button and shut her up. Share it for me, because you're doing me a great honor, and thanks for being with me. Love you guys.